open the gift box excitedly. I share my food with my best friend. I wave goodbye to all my friends, to all my friends. I save my pocket money in the jar. I save my pocket money in the jar. I wrap the gift with pretty paper. I take a photo with my camera. I click the mouse on the screen. I click the mouse on the screen. I type my name on the computer. I measure the table with a ruler. I measure the table with a ruler. I color the butterfly with crayons. I color the butterfly with crayons. I count the stars in the night sky. 1, 2, 2, 3. I fix the broken toy with glue. I fix the broken toy with glue. I cut the paper with my scissors. I build a tall tower with blocks. With blocks. I drive my toy car on the carpet. I drive my toy car carpet. I fly my colorful kite in the wind. I listen to the birds. I listen to the birds singing outside. I ride my bicycle in the morning. I ride my bicycle in the morning. I pour the juice into my glass. I pour the juice into my glass. I look at the stars in the night. I look at the stars in the night sky. I peel the orange with my fingers. I peel the orange with my fingers. I pick the ripe from the tree. I water my small green plant. I water my small green plant. I plant a flower in the garden. I feed the hungry birds in the park. I feed the hungry birds in the park. I pat the friendly dog gently. I pat the friendly dog gently. I shake hands with my new friend. I hug my grandma very warmly. I hug my grandma very warmly. I hold my mama's hand tightly. I hold my mama's hand tightly. I point at the colorful rainbow. I point at the colorful rainbow. I wave my hand to say hello. I clap my hands to the music. I clap my hands to the music.